Hello YouTube people. Now, quick video for you today. I spend about 90% of my day using Excel spreadsheets and sometimes quite big data because I'm making dashboards and numerous reports. I tell everyone at work to do this, and I even preach to external consultants from the likes of PwC and KPMG about this, who are probably earning 10 times what I do.
If I were to give you some money out of my wallet, would that ease the pain?
I've been using this trick for over 10 years courtesy of an Excel online course I did, and it's never failed me.
I can't believe that worked.
Now, I work for a company and one of our clients is Amazon, and I was tasked with producing a dashboard that monitored their performance. And there's a lot of stuff going on in this dashboard. There's lots of formula and graphs, slicers, endless pivot tables, and it's all driven by a huge CSV file that's nearly 500,000 rows. And you can see from here, the file is 111 megabytes. That is huge.
They're ginormous!
Now, if you go on Google and you search about reducing Excel file sizes, it's going to bang on to you about changing formats and hard coding, getting rid of formula, getting rid of data sources from pivot tables and everything like that. However, the best thing you can do in the first instance is simply save the file as an XLSB file, a binary file.
What the hell?
Click Save As, change it to Excel binary workbook and click Save, and you'll be astonished.
Oh my god!
The file was now saved, and you'll see my file has reduced from 111 megabytes to 45 megabytes. There's no adverse effects. You can still use macros. The only downside is you can't use the file as an external data source for connections if you're using Power Query or Power BI, which I doubt is a problem for most of you watching out there. And if it is, you just have to save the file as an XLSX file again, or an Excel workbook.
What in God's holy name are you blathering about?
Now, I equate this as a percentage saving of 59.5%, which is astonishing.
Oh, wonderful!
Now, admittedly, I was using a massive file size in the first place, and you tend to see bigger reductions the larger the file. However, even when I'm working with 10 megabyte files, when I use this method, you'll still see at least a 33-35% reduction. I really hope that this tip has helped you, and if it has done, please hit that like button, share the video, add some comments, and let's try and push it through the YouTube algorithm so more people get to learn this method. But until next time, thank you for watching as always, look after yourselves, and hopefully I will see you soon. Bye for now.